Welcome back to Science Tips. Today we are discussing the problems and the solution which is related to the mole concept. Last class we have learned the basic concept of mole concept. If you didn't see the video, please go and see the video and come back here. If you are seeing my channel first time, subscribe my channel. So let us start. So here we are learning how to convert something which is there in grams into moles. So finding number of moles, we need to know the formula. So number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. So for finding molar mass, we need to know the formula. So first question you see 12 gram of oxygen gas. So what is the given mass here? 12 gram, right? Yes. Then we need to know the formula of oxygen. So what is the formula of oxygen gas? That is O2. Two atoms of oxygen are there in the molecule. So for finding the molar mass, we need to know the formula of oxygen. O2 we know. Now we need to do what? Find the molar mass. So for finding the molar mass, what we need to do? We need to know the atomic mass also. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So how many atoms are there? 2. So 2 into 16, that is equal to 32 gram. Now what we need to do? We need to find the number of moles. So given mass we know the molar mass. What we need to do now? Yes, substitute the value in the given equation. So what is the equation you know? What is molar mass you know? What is the given mass we know? So just substituting given mass 12 gram divided by 32 gram, that is equal to 3 by 8, that is equal to 0.375 moles. We are going to next problem, that is 20 gram of water. For 20 gram of water, we need to know again formula. Formula for water is H2O. So H2O means 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. So we need to know the atomic mass of both hydrogen and oxygen. So what we need to do? Molar mass we need to find. For that, 2 molecules, that means 2 atoms are there for hydrogen. 2 into, what is there? Atomic mass of hydrogen plus atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 grams. So what is the molar mass? 18 grams. Molar mass, one more name we learned, 1 mole, right? 1 mole is equal to molar mass in grams. So molar mass we found it. We know the given mass, that is there in the question, 20 gram. So we have to substitute the value. So the given mass 20 gram divided by the molar mass, that is 18 gram, that is equal to 10 by 9, that is equal to 1.11 moles. Next question, 22 gram of carbon dioxide. So what is the formula for carbon dioxide? Yes, you are right, CO2. We need to find the molar mass or 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So you know carbon dioxide formula. We know the atomic mass of both. What is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So we need to find the molar mass. For finding molar mass, 12 is the carbon atomic mass plus 2 atoms of oxygen are there. So 2 into 16 is equal to 12 plus 32, that is equal to 44 gram. Now what we need to know? Given mass. Given mass, that is there in the question, that is 22 gram. So given mass 22 gram divided by molar mass, that is 44 gram, that is equal to 0.5 moles. Okay, we will go to next sum, that is 52 gram of helium. So helium is a gas, that is one atom only. Helium, one atom. So there is no like multiplication and all. Just whatever is the atomic mass, that is the molar mass. 4 gram is the atomic mass, that is the molar mass. Here what is the given mass? 52. So 52 divided by 4 gram, that is equal to 13 moles. We will go to the next type of problem, that is what is the mass of this. We need to find the mass. So for that they given something which is there in the moles. So what we need to do? Find the mass. For finding the mass, what four things we need? We need in the question what is there? Mole. Something which is there in the mole is there. And what is another thing required? Molar mass. So for finding mass, two things are required. One is number of mole. Second thing is molar mass. Number of mole we will get from the question. Okay. Then molar mass you need to find. Okay. So what is the first question you see? 0.2 mole of oxygen atom. Here they given oxygen atom, not molecule. If it is molecule, then only O2 will come. If it is in the gaseous form or something, O2 will come. But here they said properly oxygen atom. That means only one oxygen is there. That is what we need to check, that oxygen atom or molecule. So here what is given? 16 gram is the molar mass. How we are getting that? 1 into 16. Right? Atomic mass is same as the molecular mass here, because only one atom is there. If two atoms are there, 2 into 16 will come. But here only 1. So 1 into 16, that is 16 gram. Then what is there? Number of moles is there in the question. What is the number of mole? 0.2 mole, right? 0.2 into molar mass, that is 16, that is equal to 3.2 gram. We will go to the next sum. That is, what is the mass of 0.5 mole of water molecule? So water molecule, we know what is the molar mass. Now itself you have learned that properly. That is 18 gram. How to do that? Hydrogen, 2 are there, 1 oxygen. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1, plus atomic mass of oxygen, that is 16. So 2 plus 16, that is equal to 18 gram. Then next step is we need to find the mass of 0.5 mole of water molecule. For that what we need to do? Yes, number of mole is 0.5 into molecular mass is 18. So we are getting the answer 9 grams. Next we are going to the next type of problem, that is how to calculate the number of molecules of sulfur present in 16 gram of solid sulfur. So here they have given the given mass is there and they are asking us to calculate the number of molecules. For finding number of molecules, we need to find the number of moles first. Then only we can calculate number of molecules. For that, first formula is there, no? That we need to use. Number of moles is equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Here, sulfur is in the molecule form. What is the molecule form of sulfur? S8. So, sulfur atoms are there 8 atoms. Okay. So, what is the molar mass? 32 is the atomic mass into 8 atoms are there. So, 32 into 8, that means 256 is the molar mass. What is the given mass here in the question you see? 16 gram. So, 16 divided by 32 into 8. That means 256 is the molar mass. 16 divided by 256 is equal to 1 by 6, that is equal to 0.0625 mole. So we got the mole, number of moles of sulfur. Now what we need to do? For finding number of molecules, we need to multiply this number of moles with Avogadro number. You know Avogadro number, right? Last class we learned 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 is the Avogadro number. So what is the mole here? Number of mole 0.0625 into Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. That is equal to 3.76 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.